Hey Ted, say hello. Hey, go upstairs. Hello, welcome to my special 3-part Rich Shows You Stuff episode on skateboarding. I am very excited. We are gonna learn how to drop in, ollie, and how to kickflip. I'm gonna have the coolest skateboarding guests ever. So let's do this. I have been skateboarding for as long as I can remember. I skateboarded in the 80s, the 90s, the 2000s, when I was a missionary, when I had kids. I love it. Skateboarding is part of me. So if you want to start skateboarding, the first thing you need to do is be a disappointment to your parents. In some cases, simply telling your parents you want to skateboard might be disappointing enough. Disappointing your parents as an adult is a little more tricky. You could get into construction or don't baptize your kids. Or if you're me, you could just do all of the above. But I digress. Today we're going to learn how to drop in on a skateboard ramp. I love dropping in. I made a whole video series of just me dropping in on different stuff. Dropping in is all mind over matter. It's like walking over coals minus the shady life coach. It's all you. The problem most people have is that they don't lean forward enough and then they fly back. A couple years ago, my buddy came over to my house and he wanted to learn how to drop in. And he kept on flying back again and again and again. It looks so painful. Hey Mac, did you get hurt doing that?
Yeah.
Your body instinctively wants to stay vertical. It feels safe that way, but that's what makes you fly back. So you need to lean forward and keep your body perpendicular with the ramp. It's like a trust fall, but with physics. But I've said enough. You don't need to listen to me. I've got the greatest skateboarder of all time to give you advice. I give you Tony Hawk.
Hey, what's up, Rich? It's Tony Hawk, and you asked me for some help on how to drop in on a ramp. My best advice is, once you commit to dropping in, put as much weight as you can on that front foot, because the moment that you hesitate or start to lean back, that's when it all goes bad. And I honestly think it's better to lean too far forward than to be leaning back. So stomp that foot down, and as soon as your wheels touch the wall, commit yourself forward and bend your knees a little bit, just a little bit, because full straight leg doesn't help you with managing the transition on the way down. Good luck, everyone.
Hell yeah. Let's go to the garage. Okay, the first thing you need to know is which way do you stand on the skateboard? Regular or goofy foot? The easiest way to know which way you stand on a skateboard is to stand with your feet together and have someone come up behind you and push you in the back. Whichever foot you step forward with first is the foot that's going to be on the front of the board. Okay, what you want to do is you want to put your tail right down on the coping, and then you step on the front bolts and you lean forward. My ramp's a little small, so let's go to a real skate park. It's 8 o'clock on a Sunday. Gotta get it early because there's nothing sadder than a guy in his 40s setting up a tripod in a skate park to film himself. Let's get warmed up. I am out of shape. I like this skate park because there's a bunch of different sizes. My daughter learned how to drop in on this little section when she was like 6. Got this big 8-foot wall. Got this big old 12-foot section too in the clover bowl. Got a lot to choose from. When you're looking down at your board, it can be intimidating. You just need to step on the front bolts and lean forward and commit to it. As soon as you get it the first time, quickly jump up and do it again and again and again. You gotta get it into your muscle memory. Do it with your hands in your pockets. Do it blindfolded. Do it blindfolded with your hands in your pockets. And that's it. If you wanna go skate sometime, I'm totally down. Send me a message. So tune into the next part. I'm gonna teach you how to ollie, and we're gonna have a super cool guest on that one too. You want to see something sad? Rocksteady, Mondo Gecko, Michelangelo, I'm 41, The Rat King, Bebop, I don't know my kids' birthdays, Raphael, April O'Neil, Donna, I could keep going, I'll go all the way up.